Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we are going to develop a custom footer. So for this you have to do the small changes in your XML files. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to remove the existing footers. After removing the existing footer, you have to create a new footer. So basically this is a small code which will remove the existing footer. So here is the reference container, name equals to footer, remove equals to true. If you will write this line, it will remove the existing Magento footer. And after removing it, we have to take a reference container, name equals to footer hyphen container, and inside it we have to create a new container name footer dot custom. You can pick any name what you like. I have just pick a footer dot custom because we are creating a custom footer. HTML tag div because I want to create a div. You can take any HTML tag what you like. HTML class footer. And after creating a container, inside this container I have to create a block. What it is doing here, basically it will call my footer.html file, and inside the footer.html file I have added the custom HTML what designer has provided, like here is the company name, about us. Here you can see this what it is provided the same. Okay, so creating footer.html inside the templates folder, we are just calling it in the XML file. So here block class must be the same as I have defined here, Magento framework view element template, otherwise it will not work if there will be any mistake. Names, you can take any name of the block, but it should be the unique, it should not be any existing name, otherwise it will clash with the Magento name and it will not work. And inside the template you have to mention the folder, it is the same folder like Magento underscore theme. So inside the Magento underscore theme folder there is a template folder, and inside it we have created a footer.html. Magento is smart enough to get the file name. You don't have to write the templates folder name also here. If you will write this folder and double colon, and after it you have to mention your file name which is created inside the templates. So Magento will pick automatically from the templates folder. Okay, so you have to do a small code to make a custom footer. Right now I have just added my HTML here in the file, but later on we will make it dynamic. We will create in the admin section and we'll call that static block to here. So in future your customer can change the link and the name of the footer content. So thank you very much guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you very much.